Welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe, I will be showing you a delicious cheap meal like how to cook a special udon noodles with fish sardines. To start with, I'll be using these ingredients. These are the following ingredients that I will be using in cooking special udon noodle soup. I have here 6 pieces special udon or stick noodles, 1 onion, 2 cloves garlic, salt, ground black pepper, seasoning granules. This one is optional. 1 tomato and 1 can of fish sardines. One also of our main ingredients is 1 liter of water. Hope you guys ready. Let's start cooking this recipe. And if you're enjoying this, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. In a pan, pour 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is heat, add sliced onion. Saute the onion. After saute the onion, add garlic and tomato. Stir it. Once saute the garlic, the onions, and the tomato, I have here 1 can of fish sardines. We will add this. Then stir. After putting those ingredients, we will add now the water. Stir so that it will mix. This time, let it boil. This time, we will check our soup. Our soup is now boiling. Once boiled, we will lower the heat. We will add now the special udon noodles or stick noodles. Then stir. This is how I cook special udon noodle soup with fish sardines. After adding the noodles, we will now season our soup. I have here salt and pepper. Add together to its soup. Next, I have here a seasonal granules. It's optional only. This one is adding flavor to its soup. Once added those ingredients, stir. We will cover now the noodle soup and cook it for about 2 minutes. Our noodle soup is cooked. This is now my special udon noodle soup with fish sardines. I hope you enjoy watching and try this recipe. Thank you for watching. And if you like my video, subscribe for more videos. Have a great day!